Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Daily Life English.
Hello, Emma. It's nice to see you again. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thank you, Pheng. I had a cup of coffee this morning, and the weather is beautiful.
That sounds lovely. I'm feeling happy too, because we are recording another new episode together.
Yes, it's always a pleasure to talk and share with our listeners.
Absolutely. And before we start our topic today, let's say hello to all our viewers and listeners around the world.
Hello, everyone. We're so happy to have you here again with us.
Welcome back to another easy English conversation.
And if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe to our channel, Daily Life English.
Yes, please also like, comment, and share our videos.
Because your support helps us make more free English lessons for everyone.
Thank you so much, friends. We really appreciate you.
So, Pheng, what are we going to talk about today?
Today, Emma, we're going to talk about feelings and emotions.
Oh, that's a very important and interesting topic.
Yes, because everyone has feelings, and learning how to express them in English is very useful.
That's right. In daily life, we feel happy, sad, angry, scared, tired, and many more emotions.
And sometimes, it's not easy to say exactly what we feel, especially in another language.
True, but today we'll learn some easy and natural ways to talk about our emotions in English.
That's great. I think our listeners will really enjoy this topic.
I think so too. So, let's begin. Pheng, how do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel calm and happy because I'm sitting here, talking with you, and recording this episode.
That's nice. I also feel relaxed and positive today.
You always sound cheerful, Emma. How do you keep such a positive mood?
Thank you. I try to focus on small, good things every day, like the morning sun or a good cup of tea.
That's a nice way to stay happy. I think we all need to find joy in small things.
Yes, but of course, we don't feel happy all the time.
That's true. Sometimes we feel sad or upset.
When I feel sad, I usually say, I feel down today, or I'm not in a good mood.
Oh, that's a good phrase. Not in a good mood.
Yes, it's a polite and simple way to tell someone you're feeling sad or tired.
What do you usually do when you feel sad, Emma?
I like to listen to calm music or go for a walk in the park.
That's a good idea. For me, I talk to my close friends when I feel sad.
Talking really helps, right? Sometimes we just need someone to listen.
Exactly. We don't always need advice, just someone who cares.
Now, let's talk about anger. Pheng, what makes you feel angry?
I feel angry when someone lies to me or doesn't respect my time.
Oh, yes, I can understand that. No one likes to be lied to.
But I try to stay calm. I don't like shouting or arguing.
That's very good. When I feel angry, I usually take a deep breath and try to be quiet for a moment.
That's smart. Sometimes silence helps us cool down.
Yes, because when we're angry, our words can hurt others.
True. So it's better to calm down before speaking.
Let's move to happiness, the best feeling.
Yes, happiness is something we all want more of.
So, what makes you happy, Pheng?
I feel happy when I achieve something small, like finishing my work or helping my students learn something new.
That's wonderful. I feel happy when I spend time with my family or enjoy nature.
Nature is so peaceful. I love watching sunsets.
Me too. And I think happiness grows when we are grateful for what we have.
That's a beautiful thought, Emma. Gratitude is the key to joy.
Sometimes we feel nervous too. Do you ever feel nervous, Pheng?
Yes, I do, especially when I have to speak in front of many people.
Oh, yes. Public speaking makes many people nervous.
but I've learned to take deep breaths and smile before I start.
That's great advice. When I feel nervous, I remind myself it's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, no one is perfect, and mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. So, dear listeners, don't be afraid to speak English. Just try. That's how you improve.
What about feeling tired or stressed? That's common too.
Oh, yes. When I'm tired, I say, I'm exhausted, or I need a break.
Good ones. I also say, I'm under pressure when I have too much work.
Yes, that's useful. And when we feel stressed, it's important to rest or do something we enjoy.
Like watching a funny video or spending time with family.
Exactly. It helps our mind relax.
Listeners, remember, taking care of your emotions is as important as studying English.
Let's share some more expressions for feelings.
Sure. If you're surprised, you can say, "Wow, I can't believe it."
Or, that's amazing. Or, really, that's unbelievable.
When you feel scared, you can say, "I'm afraid," or "That makes me nervous."
Yes, and when you feel excited, you can say, I'm so excited, or I can't wait.
Great. And for love or care, you can say, "I feel thankful," or "I feel lucky to have you."
Beautiful phrases. Emotions help us connect with people around us.
Emma, do you think it's important to talk about feelings in English?
Yes, I think it's very important because language is not just words, it's about expressing our heart.
I agree. When we can express feelings, we build deeper relationships.
Exactly. If you only say, I'm fine every time, people can't really know how you feel.
Right. Sometimes we need to say, "I'm tired," or "I feel lonely," or "I'm proud of myself."
Those are all healthy emotions to share. It's okay to feel them all.
Yes, feelings make us human, and they make conversations real.
Let's give our listeners a short practice idea.
Good idea. You can try this every morning. Look in the mirror and say how you feel.
For example, say, I feel good today, or I feel a little tired, but I'll try my best.
That's great. It helps you start your day with awareness.
And it helps you practice English too.
Yes, one simple sentence a day can make a big difference.
Dear listeners, try writing down your feelings in a notebook too.
Oh yes, that's a great tip. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your mood.
Over time, you'll learn more emotional words and expressions.
Emma, I feel this conversation is really helpful.
I feel the same. It's simple but meaningful.
I hope everyone listening can feel more confident using emotion words in English.
Yes, and remember, it's okay to say how you feel.
Absolutely. Feelings are part of life.
Well, I think that's all for today's episode.
Yes, today we talked about many different feelings: happy, sad, angry, nervous, tired, and more.
We learned how to describe emotions in simple English.
And how to express them in daily life conversations.
So, if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Like, comment, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you so much for watching and listening today.
We're really grateful for your time and support.
Stay happy, stay kind, and keep practicing English every day.
We'll see you again in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. And remember, keep smiling.